Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I think I'm going to try and do my entry for Bears Backs giveaway. If you guys haven't seen it already, go check it out. He's got two awesome prizes, and yeah, he always has some great giveaways. I think this is the first that I've entered of his, if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to look back. But yeah, also I have to say I'm really happy that Bears Back is happy that Bears Back is back, and yeah, back on YouTube and doing okay after his accident there. Yeah, that's got to be tough, and I'm glad you're doing okay, buddy. So I just reached into my my Schlag bag here. Actually, I owe King Street Rob a thanks. Wish he was around to hear that, but yeah, I reached into there and grabbed just this random kick. No keys. It's one of the few that didn't have keys, so that's why I grabbed it. Might I don't know. Might rekey it after. But I'm going to try and rake my way into this, and I have to say I suck at raking. Like, even on a flat bitted lock, I really suck at raking. But yeah, we'll try to get into here. And I should, I was also going to, not for extra points, but for whatever, I'm going to mention what I think my favorite lock is. And that's kind of tough, actually. It's hard to pick one favorite lock. I like that really big Abus that they use on in like conventions, locksmith shows and stuff. That huge display Abus. I think it's like, what is it? I don't know. It's huge. I love the Rotolock. I love the big brother to this, the SNG 951? Not quite sure. Jeez. I think I'm going to try and bully this a little bit. Oh, there we go. I think. Yeah. I'm not going to take my chances of doing... whatever, I'll try it again, since I kind of know it takes heavier tension. See, oops. I really do suck at raking. I have no technique. But then again, raking is... I don't know, raking is a skill, and people say it's not a... You know what I mean? It's not a skilled technique. It kind of is. Yeah. And just for fun, I'm going to try and rock into this one. Again, I really suck at this technique, and this has security pins, so I'm kind of going to do more of a rocking, but I'm still kind of feeling the counter rotation, and it's kind of like picking in a way, so I'm not... That's why I did the raking. I wouldn't really include this as... It's kind of skirting around the rules, let's say. Because I am feeling for counter, and I'm kind of trying to use one of the peaks on it. But I don't think we're going to get into this. Yeah. This, I won't count this. But yeah, trying to think of other favorite locks. That's a tough one for me. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that. But hopefully the kick raking counts. Let me know, Bears Back. Let's see how many pins I have left in this. Oh, it was just pin 1. Anyway, yeah, let me know if that counts, Bears back, and like I said, I'm glad you're feeling a bit better there after that accident. Yeah, really, was kind of worried about you for a bit there. That's not an easy thing to go through, I imagine. Not speaking from experience, but just, yeah, could imagine it wasn't that much of an easy experience. Yeah, like I said, let me know, and everyone else, go check out Bears Back. Awesome giveaway, and as always, appreciate everyone's support. Appreciate you watching. Leave a message, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys.